You are not underpaid, you are underbranded. So most of the IT professionals complain that they are not getting what they deserve. The salary they are getting, it's too less as compared to the market standard. But what they forget is they are not showcasing their potential in the market or in their company the way that they should. And that's the reason they keep getting less salary. So in the today's market, it has changed tremendously. If you consider 10 years back, it was not as today. So what you have to take care of for getting very high salary is you need to be branding yourself. And how you can do that is you need to create your visibility. It can be through different means. It can be through, if you are working as a coder or a developer, you can build your GitHub profile. You can build your whatever you are doing, you can build your YouTube channel and teach others or share that information or knowledge what you have. Or you can also work on creating the content on LinkedIn so that you can create your brand online. So all these measures, and more importantly, you also need to show your whatever show the your manager or your peers or other people in your organization or outside as well, that whatever you are doing, it is giving some quantitative results to them. So if you keep it with yourself, whatever you are doing, then you're not doing anything good to yourself. So you need to be vocal about your things that you are doing. For example, if you are building some automation and you're saving some time of the company, for example, you have created the script to run something, it was taking 1 hour and now it is taking just 10 minutes, then you need to showcase it to the world that you have done this. You have implemented something amazing which is beneficial, which is adding value to the company or the organization that you're working with. So the thing is, you need to build your brand, you need to be vocal about the things, and you need to show your quantitative results to the world. And that is how you can get what you deserve. And then you will never complain that you're not getting what you deserve. Okay? So take care of that. I hope you'll be implementing this soon. Thank you.